friendly. Designing with them is inspirational. When you designing with them, so sensational. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is Decorate My Space. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY, Home Decor and More, and Tablescapes by Candy. So come along with me as I show you my space. And I have decorated my foyer console table. So I'll show you a little bit about what I have here. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I have this ginger jar vase. I purchased that from Goodwill. I think I paid $5.99 for it. I show two balls of flowers here. One I put inside the vase, and the other one I just laid on the table. The top, I just placed it beside the vase. Over here, I have a unicorn, and I have placed it on top of the Chanel book that I got from Home Goods. And the beads also come from Home Goods. The clear ball here come from Home Goods. The M in the back you see came from Macy's. And the lamp here also was from Macy's. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor DIY for inviting me to be a part of this Decorate My Space, and also Tablescapes by Candy. I will be leaving their information in my description box, so make sure you all go over and check out their channels. I want to thank the design family for also coming along with me on this Decorate My Space. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and ring that bell twice so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Budget friendly.